Hi everyone, welcome again to Motivation Monday. This is Coach Brian, week 3 of 2023. How is 2023 going for you? I've had a few surprises already myself, unplanned, not the positive surprises, but big challenges. At the same time, I know God's with me. So I just want to share with you that what we have to believe in is God's truth, not the things you see, not the things you may believe, not the things on TV. What does God's truth say? And having confidence because you are the child of the King. What also is very important is to have people around you that help you believe that truth, even when times go hard. So who do you have in your life that is a big support for you? My wife is huge in that area. My brother-in-law I meet with every week, and we pray and we share how our balance is going and different struggles, and some other good brothers of mine as well. So think about that for your life, because you will go through challenges. Be confident because the power of Jesus Christ is in you to lead and guide you. But it's also very important to have others around you too when those times get challenging, or even when you're scaling a new mountain and something that is a great growth and stretch for you. So I want to just throw out there are some new groups starting with coaches and others growing in these areas. So if you're interested at all, having that additional support and how to help not only change your life, but change the world around you, check out some of this email included here. But be confident, know God's truth, and He's with you. Have a great week.